Hello, my name is Rick Edelstein. I am the co-founder of BacktestingMarket BTM. BTM is a powerful tool. Just like every pilot relies on their flight instruments, each trader should have an instrument that helps them place their strategies more confidence. Let me show you how BacktestingMarket works. On the front page, you will find three options: the predictor, trend idea, and backtesting idea. Let's go to the predictor. This tool has been designed for the option market, specifically for zero DTE. You will be able to analyze following index like X, SPX, root XSP, and these two ETF, SPY and QQQ. Here we have a calendar where you can see how the indices have performed in the past. The predictor displays many graphics and also charts and values, which are updated every single minute. In the main chart, you will find open interest, delta, volume, and a gravity point. This last one being a level that SPX will often try to reach or cross during the day. This is the gravity point, and the blue one is SPX, and during the day, we'll try to reach it or cross of the position. The GEX strikes or gamma exposure shows where the gamma exposure are located, where the institutions are positioned, and where the market makers may need to hedge. You can move the time. Now the market is closed, but you can go back in time and check where was the gamma in a higher position. The dominant GEX strikes shows cumulative position. The thicker the blue line, the higher the concentration, which in many cases acts like a magnet, attracting the price to go there. We can go back in time and check how was performing in those times. You see, from the beginning, try always to hit the thicker line. We have also the cumulative dominant GEX. You will see the day accumulation and in the number of times each position has been repeated, and it will be added. Now, now let's go to the score evolution. But before going to the score evolution, let's see where this idea comes from. So it's a number of value based on a vast amount of information from the option chain. For this example, we're going to use SPX. The evolution of the score moves according to different data points, such as open interest, also gamma exposure, volume, etc., etc., etc. The evolution of the score moves according to different data points with a value assigned to a mathematical algorithm. Every minute, the score will reach a specific value. Positive values indicate a bullish trend, while negative values indicate a bearish trend. If the value is close to zero, the trend is weak. As it moves farther from zero, around 12, 15, or even negative 12 or 15, the trend is stronger and will go to the positive side or to the negative side with a stronger trend. So this is how this graphic is formed. This comes from these values. Also, we have here the trend. The one at the bottom is the SPX short-term trend that will show you where the market is going in the proximity time. And the SPX 0 DTE is where the market will go during the rest of the day. In this case, the market is closed, but it was an uptrend. Let's go now to the trend ideas. This is the trend idea. So here you will choose the symbol that you want to have the idea, And remember, this is just an idea. We're not financial advisors. So you have to analyze these ideas. Okay. So you can choose SPX, root, SPY, QQQ, XSP. And also you have the type of risk that you want to choose. For example, today we can choose conservative, or we can use intermediate, aggressive, or ultra aggressive. Yes, for this example, let's go with the conservative. So we ran the idea. As you can see, it came with 100% win rate. Okay. But one of the things that you have to be aware is that the credit that will give you is going to be lower than if you choose ultra aggressive. One of the things that you're going to see when you choose your idea, or when you want to analyze your idea, BTM will give you the time of the idea, the symbol, the strategy. It's a vertical. Also, we have ideas for iron condors. For me, at least, I like better verticals. That's where we have seen a better profit. Okay, so we'll tell you the type of risk level that you're choosing, the expiration. So, which is this video, I made it on October 2025. The side is put. So you will do this strike. You will sell 67.10 and you will buy 67.05. That's the vertical. Your maximum profit will be $48 and your maximum loss will be 452. So when you choose the conservative, you will have less credit. Okay. But if you choose ultra aggressive, okay, you're gonna see a lot of red, but the green ones are going to be a higher credit. Okay, so which is the idea that is going to be more convenient, so it's more profitable? For that case, okay, we can go to the backtesting idea. In the backtesting idea, you will find four, I, four type of risk. You will have the conservative, intermediate, aggressive, and ultra aggressive. As you can see, the best uh, profit is it comes from the ultra aggressive side. For this last 3 months, since July 19 through October 17, the 1210 has been the winner. Okay, it made 3,696. You can run the back testing. How do you run? Basically, you will go to the time 1210. It's a vertical, no, not an iron condor. You will choose ultra aggressive, okay, and you will run the back test. It's gonna take a little bit of time because it has to bring every single result from July 22nd until in this case it's October 20, which is today. Probably we'll have more money. Oh, that's right, we have more money. So until last Friday was 3,696, but because today it was a winner, so $4,042. So if you check here, every time when you have a drawdown, it's not that high because the credit that you receive is higher. So we can do an example putting a conservative. You will see that the credit, because the credit that you receive is lower, the hit that you're going to receive is higher. So that's why the idea probably to to analyze the ultra aggressive is going to be probably more profitable than the idea of of the conservative. Look at this. It made only $268 since 3 months ago. Why is that? Even you made money, but guess what? Every time when you have a drawdown, You have to recover from that drawdown, and it's going to take time. Now, if you compare with ultra aggressive, the drawdowns are smaller because your profit, your credit is higher. So if for some reason you have a drawdown, you're gonna be having a better result, with the pass of the time. As you can see, the trend goes upper. This is the result of the last 3 months. You're gonna see some winnings and some losses. There are big credits, and also there are big big lost also. So this isn't it doesn't exist a tool that give you 100% winning time. If someone will tell you that there is a tool out there that you will win always, I don't think so. You will have drawdowns, so you have to be careful. But as you can see in this tool, with a mathematical algorithm and the data that we have studied in the past, and all the ideas that we are making, you can see that the trend normally goes up. So one more time, we're gonna go back to the trend idea, okay, right here. Now that we know that 1210 is the best idea that BTM is going to give us. Well, every Saturday will come an idea, and it's going to show you which idea is the best idea of the last 3 months. In this case, the last 3 months from July 19 to October 17 was the ultra aggressive 1210. So we go here to the trend idea, we choose ultra aggressive, run the report, and look for the 1210. Now we're going to look for the 1210, and this day gave us $90 of credit. So we press here on the 1210. It's going to give us the strategy idea. The time 1210, SPX, it's a vertical, ultra aggressive, October 20. The side is put, so it's a put credit spread. You will sell 67.15 and buy 67.10. One thing that I like in BTM is that it will show you the live position. So there are some people that they like to to place probably two, three, four, five, even I heard 10 positions, and they just leave as soon as they have 20, 30%, or even 50%. But guess what? This BTM, or this backtesting market platform, has been designed to uh, place the idea until it expires. That's how we measure, and that's how we run the test, how the trend went up, just letting expire. So like some people, they say, place your order and go to the beach. No, you have to analyze. Remember, you have to analyze, and you have to decide whether you let it expire or just leave with a profit. This has been made to let it expire, but you are the one who analyzes. Okay, so if you want to see how it went in the past, let's try another one. Let's see, I don't know, 13. Okay, let's go to the 13. Okay, we'll run the report, and let's see how was the 1210. Okay, let's go. 1210. 1210 was a call credit spread, and it gave $220. That was a good day. So let's go here. Let's hit 1210. Same thing. And let's go to the live position. How it went. Oh, this is very scary because it went like a like a roller coaster. Went up and down, up and down. So, like I said before, this idea, you know, backtesting market BTM was built to create this idea with a mathematical algorithm let it expire. Even there are some people that they manage the tool differently. They just like to have 20, 30, 50% with more verticals. You can do whatever you want, analyze if this is the best vertical for you. If you want to do it, but always try to analyze. Remember, we are not a financial advisor. You have to look for your decisions and be more careful when you're investing. So, this is basically the presentation. I hope you like this presentation. If you want to enjoy our community, we have a group of WhatsApp, VIP WhatsApp, and you can subscribe to the Backtesting Market. We will give you 1 week for free if you subscribe for 1 month. And if you subscribe for 1 year, we will give you 2 weeks to try the tool. And also, the price of the tool is $39.99 for 1 month, and for 1 year is $399 with 99 cents. And we will give you 2 months for free. Okay, so I hope you try it and, well, enjoy it. Okay, have a great time. Goodbye.